My GX85 John Deere riding lawnmower won't start. Battery is charged. I turn the key and it makes no sound.
Will engine turn by hand? If not, remove spark plug and see if engine will spin. Single cylinder Briggs?
It is a Briggs & Stratton 1-cylinder 13 horsepower engine. I'm not sure how to rotate it by hand. Could it just be a fuse?
Yes, the fuse is the power for the key switch, coming from the positive terminal of the starter solenoid.
I'll check the fuse. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.